It's safe to say that we're all trying to get more fiber and veggies in our diet. I have a delicious way to get both. I love this white bean hummus, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. It's super simple, and you can eat it with veggies. So good. Let's go. So in my mini chopper, I have white beans, I have lemon juice, tahini, 2 garlic cloves, some extra virgin olive oil, ground cumin, and then I'm also going to be using some aquafaba, which is the cooking liquid. I used homemade white beans, but you could also use canned, and it just comes out super creamy. I like to use the aquafaba instead of using more oil, and it just makes this creamy and delicious dip. I pair it with some veggies and pita chips, and you can do a little dip or you could do a big dip, and I just love how delicious and good this is for you. Control the ingredients, the flavor, which is amazing, and it's just so good. I can't stop. My favorite way is cucumbers, but you can also use snow peas or peppers, celery, but I like to do veggies more than chips. But you could also use pita chips. These are pita thins, and they're also really good with it.